Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek, or first look, I guess. Well, maybe it's a sneak peek, I don't know. For you. This is called Spotted in Spring by Claudia McKinney. This is a round drill diamond painting. It is 42.7 centimeters by 33 centimeters. This one is kind of funny to me because if you all know me, or even if, you may have heard through the grapevine, I have this abnormally weird, large fear of ladybugs, It's hard to explain, but like when I was a kid, they used to thousands of them hang up in windows, and I had this reoccurring nightmare of thousands of ladybugs crawling all over me in my sleep. Ever since then, I don't like ladybugs. But, this is a diamond painting, okay? It is cute. It has cute spring colors. It's like happiness, But yeah, so this is part of the Diamond Art Club release that kind of snuck up on us this past weekend. There was no previews. I think I saw that they posted that this was originally going to be part of Amazon releases. But due to things not working out with what they planned, they decided to make them regular releases. So they're like, surprise, new kits are here. So I'm curious, what did you guys think of that? Do you like seeing the previews? I saw some mixed feelings about this. Some people liked not having the anxiety. Some people didn't like not knowing, what was coming because they like to sit by their phones, things like that. So yeah, what did you think? Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. This is a smaller kit than what I usually unbox. It looks like there's going to be 54 colors. There's one AB and 3 fairy dusts. Total diamonds, 18,600. So this would be a pretty small kit and would work up very fast. All right, let's put this aside here. It's so cute. It's like a little quaint one. Yeah, I guess the Amazon kits are smaller than the other ones. Yep, here's a little Amazon insert. So we have our sticker sheet here, and we have our toolkit, and we have the Amazon insert here. Oh, it just has a QR code. I wonder whose hand that is. I'm not going to ask. Warranty insurance card. We're here to help. Oh, cool. So it's just kind of like what we're used to in the little envelopes here. So let's go ahead and we'll zoom in and take a quick look at the sticker sheet. Oh my gosh, I got a silver card. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that ladybug. I'm sorry, I just snorted. Oh, yeah, look at that ladybug. But it's a silver card. That's so cool. So this is one of their treasure quest cards. If you need more information about that, check out the description of this video. And, they have different rarities. This is a silver one, so it's not a bronze, so that's cool. If you flip it over, you'll see the rarity right there. If you collect so many, you can redeem them for things like gift cards or even a custom diamond painting. Just scratch this off to redeem it. Like I said, if you want more info, check out the link in the description and you can do that. All right, here is our sticker sheet. We have our special drills here at the end. You see our AB down there, and then our fairy dust. Then we have our thumbnail picture here. And we have the same insert with tips and tricks and such. Let me just put this back away here. I have to put it in exactly how I got it, or else I'm gonna lose everything. Because, your girl's scatterbrain. All right, and we have our toolkit. It is the regular toolkit that comes in all of our kits. Everything that you have to have in order to complete your kit. And let's dive into this canvas. I'm going to zoom back out here. And where does the opening? Here we go. Maybe. Got it. All right. Let's see if we're going to open it the right way here. Oh, look at the giant ladybug. Hold it, I gotta roll it the other way here. Okay, hold on, here we go. We're just gonna roll it the opposite way. There we go. Diamond Art Club uses poured glue, so it pretty much does what you want it to do, And if you want it even more flat, you could just take up the corner here, uncover some of it, and just put it right back down. There we go. All right, and this kit does have our perforated covering. You can see here. There we go. If you don't like that, you can use release papers from Crafts with Ashley. Just letting you know. Yes, this is a lot of reds and such. Oh my gosh. Lots of reds, cheerful colors. You have some color blocking going on here, but it's not like an excessive amount where you would get tired of one color. You know, the reds will probably blend well together. So yeah, 54 colors. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the different drills here. I just flipped it over so we have the white in the background. And let's see what we're looking at, and then we'll go in and we'll see where the special drills go as well. All right, get all these separated here. All right, we have our, oh, zoom in. There we go. We have our big ol' fairy dust, Z666. You have some oranges. You have some regular 66. Let's see what else we have going on here. If you would like to see these colors individually and I'm going too fast, feel free to change the speed of the video. But yeah, it just looks like a bunch of different shades of red. And here we get into the, like the peach and the oranges. Yeah, beautiful, like, I don't know, it reminds me of like autumny colors. Like autumn meets spring. Alright, and here is our AB. This is really pretty orange color, so it's AB741. Let's see what else we have. Different shades of greens. It does have very happy colors. Love it. Okay. I'm trying to find the other special drills. Gotta be in here somewhere. Here we go. So, ooh, we have a really pretty purple fairy dust and a pink. Beautiful. And we're gonna look closer at the canvas to see where those go. All right, I will be right back. I'm gonna try to hunt these special drills down real quick. Okay, so the first one we have is the ABs, which is this down arrow, and I just kind of saw these throughout, like the, you know, the where the light I think would be hitting the flower here. I did see it up here in the middle, so those are just kind of very lightly sprinkled throughout. All right, and then the fairy dust, we have the do not enter sign, so the red fairy dust is everywhere in the ladybug and all sorts of throughout. Let me zoom out so you can kind of get a bigger picture. Throughout the flower petals here. The pink fairy dust is this over arrow, and that's down here in the bottom portion of the flowers. I think I see some, yep, over here too. So just throughout the flowers. And then we have our purple ones, and that's just mainly towards the bottom of the painting here. So throughout that shrubbery. So nicely sprinkled throughout. Like I said, this kit it's pretty cute, and it would work up very fast. So a nice quick project for you if you're wanting to get into the spring vibe mode. So definitely check it out. Last I checked, it wasn't sold out, but who knows, by the time I'm done filming this video it could change. So definitely check them out. If you're brand new to my channel, please click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up on your way out, and hit the notification bell too so you don't miss when I go live or when I post other videos. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.